A YouTube thumbnail is the most important part of your entire video. It can literally be the difference between a few hundred views and tens of thousands of views. But making great thumbnails either takes forever or costs way too much. And that is why I built Thumbnails A. It's an AI that turns any thumbnail into your own, instantly applying your face, your brand colors, and no design skills needed. Thumbnails A is the easiest way to turn your existing thumbnails into repeatable templates or get new designs that match your channel brand identity instantly. And if you want to switch things up, Thumbnails A also offers one-click style modes inspired by famous creators like Mr. Beast, Mark Rober, the list goes on and on. But it always keeps your brand elements intact. As always, I'll have a link in the description below. It is thumbnailsa.com, and you can see this is the landing page. It just kind of goes through everything that is available. There is a quick guide if you want to watch that as well. We're going to just log in. So you can see on the left here, we have some options. We have something called Style Vault, and this is where you can set up your own styles. So these are just 3 styles I set up. I can actually click new style up here, and I can upload a thumbnail, any thumbnail from my channel. So I have the whole mastering different tool series on my channel. You're going to see it's going to analyze this thumbnail for us, and it's going to extract the visual DNA from this thumbnail, and then it's going to load it all up on the right here. So Punchy Pop Art Tech Pro, and now we can hit Save to Vault, and this style is now in my own personal A vault. And what this allows you to do is create reusable templates that you can now quickly use by one-clicking at the top here and typing in a prompt, like how to master Gemini. And you're going to see here, our exact thumbnail template is selected, and it is going to generate a new thumbnail for us based on the template that we have fed through. And just like that, we have our thumbnail, and this looks very good. You can see we have the text, the secret, Master Gemini, AI to Gemini. We have a very good thumbnail that we can actually use, and it's using the entire template from the one that we picked, just with our new text with the new Gemini logo. And you can see we can even refine the thumbnail if we want. So you'll notice we have how to master AI, and it created a whole new logo for us, and that's not exactly what we're looking for. So a feature I added to Thumbnails A has the ability to refine any individual thumbnail. So if you notice, we're on thumbnail 2, and it says, hey, we're refining version 2. If we click version 1, it's going to say, hey, refining version 1. And this might seem like a small feature, but every single aspect of the entire website is well thought out because I am a content creator. I also understand AI because I cover AI tools literally every single day. And if you guys enjoy AI, don't forget to subscribe. But I'm also a programmer, so you combine the 3 together and you get these small minor details where you can iterate on top of the thumbnail that works. So this time around in the text, I said, change the text to the secret. I put the exact same prompt as before, but I said, keep everything else the same. So now we have the ability to go back and refine the original thumbnail, the first one, rather than the second one, because instead of like reiterating on a bad version, we can go back and reiterate on the version we like. So if we can come back to this version now and we can iterate on top of this one if we want. But I think this thumbnail here is really good. How to master Gemini, AI, Arrow, Gemini. We have a good looking thumbnail that didn't take very long to make. And you might ask, hey, I don't have any styles for my channel yet that are working well. Well, you're in luck. We have the A Vault with different styles that you can one click and use. So you have access to all of these styles as well. So say you want the Make It Pop style, and you can see what that looks like. We can one click and we can start using the Make It Pop style. And you can see here, we have a sample of it using AI data, and it literally says Master Gemini. So we can actually come over here, and the way I changed the identity of the person from myself to AI data is by clicking the identity button. That is going to bring a sidebar out, and if I move myself over, you can actually see we now have some options for our creator identity. So we can toggle myself on and off, so we can say, hey, I don't want to be in the thumbnail, or I do, and you can upload a single photo of yourself. You can add your primary and secondary brand color, and now you have an entire creator identity that will always be present in your video. We also have the ability to flip between different people based off different blankets. We can also choose the pose of the character. So let's say we wanted the shock face. We can click the shock face and it will automatically be applied, or you can just leave it on auto and the AI will choose the best pose for your character depending on the prompt that you provide, depending on what your video is about. We also have some other options. So let's say for a second, we don't want to choose a template. We don't want to choose a style. We don't know what we want. We can leave it on auto and it will pick the best style template for you out of the bunch. We can also choose auto, and we can say my vault, and automatically it is only going to pick styles, templates from your vault. We can do the same thing. It will choose and only use styles from the A vault, or we have some really cool options here. So we have a mode called famous, and we can sort by different types of content. So if we are making food content, we can sort by food, we can sort by gaming, we can go by all, and you can see these are all top creators. So if I want to make a video thumbnail inspired by Mark Rober, I can click Mark Rober, you're going to see it's enabled, and now if we generate Master Gemini, you're going to see we're going to generate 2 thumbnails now based on Mark Rober. Where famous mode gets really cool is, if we click here again, we have something called mixing. So you can actually now select 2 different people and 2 different content creators, and it will mix them together. It's going to mix their styles together. So say you want Dream and maybe Dude Perfect, we can confirm mix. It's going to mix those 2 styles together to create your thumbnail. Here is the ones that it just created from the 2 that we generated. It is definitely me in the style of Mark Rober. We also have this one here, Master Gemini, and this one also looks pretty cool. We didn't give it a lot of information. This is what it created just by using a famous style. And again, we can mix 2 styles together. We also have the ability to do art styles, and you're probably understanding how this works now. You can choose all these different art styles that exist, and you can also enable mixing to enable the ability to mix 2 art styles together that wouldn't be possible otherwise. And as always, it's always going to use your identity and potential pose that you choose alongside with the exact style you want your thumbnail to be in. We also have the ability to choose 16:9, 9:16, and 1:1, depending on what platform you're posting this on. You can choose between 1, 2, 3, or 4 different thumbnails to be generated, and you can also attach 2 different things. So we can attach a reference image, and that reference image is going to go along with the pose, the identity, and the theme, and it might be like a product that you want to hold, and you can add that in as a reference, or we can do sketch to layout. You can sketch out what you thought your thumbnail to look like, and you can say use sketch, and it's going to apply that to your thumbnail creation. Lastly, we have this button here, which determines the type of quality your generation is going to be in. If you notice throughout this video, I've been using standard. Standard is very good just for generating your base. The only time I really use pro is when I want to make a modification to a thumbnail and keep it 100% the same. I just want to make a minor modification to a part of the thumbnail. That's probably the only time I've enabled pro. There are a lot of features, but I tried to keep it as clean as possible. And it is really simple. You can literally put in anything you want, like YouTube views increasing. I have it on fully automatic right now, and it will determine and come up with everything I need for this thumbnail. I can also go more descriptive and give it exactly what I want, and it will generate it as well using all the different styles and ways you want it to be. There is also this button here, an enhanced prompt with AI. We can toggle that, and you're going to see that it's going to take our video concept prompt here, and it's going to update it with a little bit more information as to what our thumbnail should look like. Here is the first one that it made just by having a YouTube views increasing text. So you can see going viral, and you can see here I am, and you can see what that looks like. We have this version as well. So view count, and it's going up, and that was made in just literally one click. You saw how fast it generated. We have 2 different versions here. This is with the customized prompt that it gave, and we also have this version as well. And they all look really good. Just one more quick test. We're going to use the thumbs up pose this time around with automatic, and we're going to use subscribe now as our text. We're going to see it all kind of come together, making our thumbnail, and do it. Subscribe now. And we can see here is the first version with our subscribe now, and we have our second one, subscribe now. They both look good. Now we have something called gallery, and our gallery is exactly what you think it would be. Here is all the different generations that we have. We can sort, and we can toggle by all the different sizes. We can see what they look like, and we can also see the ones that we have favorited, and you can do that by clicking the heart on any of the different ones you have. So if you like different ones, we can just quickly heart them and save them. Some other minor touches that I've made, you can see this one here, How to Master Gemini. We've made 3 iterations on it, so you can actually see the 3. The entire platform was made from the ground up for content creators, created by a content creator. The last thing to really discuss is pricing. It comes in 3 variants. We have $10 a month, $30 a month, and $100 a month. Each standard generation is 1 single credit, and if you want a pro creation, it is 5 credits. So it's as transparent as possible. Truthfully, I use almost like 99% of the time, I use standard generation. It works, and it works really well. And the biggest difference between the different plans are the number of custom styles you can save in your own personal vault and the number of creator identity personas. The biggest difference difference between Thumbnails A and other AI tools out there to create thumbnails is Thumbnails A uses a consistent brand template. So it's going to use your style, your brand, your face, your colors, everything, and reuse different thumbnail templates over and over again so you have consistency on your channel. Despite making the UI as simple and clean as possible, there are a lot of different little options and features that you have access to. And if you have any feedback at all, things you want to see, changes you want, things you want in the platform itself, leave a comment down below, because I have the ability to make changes on today's tool that we're looking at, because for the first time in forever, this is a tool that I have personally created. This is 100% my own. And I know I've received a very long comment recently, like a week ago, about saying, hey, I'm promoting my own tool. No, now I am promoting my own tool. Alright, so subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content and want to see more of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
Right there, AI tools, AI news, AI prompts you can use. It's all for free. Just come and see at FranklinAI.com where you're meant to be.